Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove Temu app from iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, the most basic thing you can do is deleting the app from your device's homepage. For that, tap and long press on the Temu app icon and you'll notice that all of the apps have started shaking. I'll tap on the minus icon at the top of the Temu icon and a new pop-up will be displayed. Here, tap on delete app and the app will be deleted. But for some reason, if you are not able to do that, open up your device settings, navigate to the General tab, access iPhone storage, and then look for Temu inside it. After you find it, tap on it and then select Delete App. Now confirm the action and you are done. So that's basically how you can remove Temu app from iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.